Ooh, that's coverage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together the Photofocus foundation by Wet n Wild. This foundation claims that it eliminates flashback in any photo shoots and in any lighting conditions, and we're going to check that. You can find this product in 20 different shades and I got mine in the color Nude Ivory. I am not sure if this is a correct shade for me because I bought it online, so we're going to see together. It is vegan and cruelty free. The price of it is $5.99 and we get 30 milliliters of product. I will also do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new affordable foundation. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I wanted to test this product for a while now because it is so popular on YouTube and everybody says it is one of the best drugstore foundations. So we're going to see together if it works on my dry and sensitive skin. For primer, I will use the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice Cosmetics. I use this primer all the time in my reviews because I know how it works with a lot of my foundations. I have tried to pull the cap like this and I think I broke it. And this is how the product is. You don't have a pump, you just have a weird spatula. It has a very strong chemical scent and it is pretty liquidy, you can see that. This will be a little bit pinkish on me, but I want to see how it will blend on my skin. And on half of my face I will use a sponge and on the other half a brush. And I will use the Real Technique sponge. So this doesn't look very bad. I think I can blend it and I can make it work, but I needed, I think, a shade darker with a yellow undertone. It will make me look like a ghost. I will try to save it with contouring. The brush that I'm going to use is F60 by Sigma. Ooh, that's coverage. So with the brush, it doesn't blend so nice. It doesn't give a natural finish on the skin. You can see the lines of the bristles. I like it better with the sponge. I think it looks more natural. I will apply a second layer to see if the coverage is buildable. I look like a ghost. This is definitely not the correct shade for me. At the current time, this is very light for me. Maybe in the winter it will be more suitable for my skin tone. The foundation is not very sticky and it was easy to build the coverage. As we can see, it started creasing in my fine lines, also between my brows and my smile lines, which most of the times my smile lines are not very visible with foundation. About the coverage, it covered my redness, a lot of the discoloration that I have here, some very vibrant green veins that I have on my forehead and on my jawline. My skin doesn't look flaky, it looks very smooth. It is very lightweight on the skin and it doesn't give a tingling effect while it is setting on the skin. I also want to see how my concealer will blend on top of the foundation, and I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. The concealer blended very nice into my foundation. The foundation is sticky, so I'm going to set it with the fixing powder by Deco Cosmetics. As we can see, the foundation oxidizes just a little bit and it becomes more pinkish. This is how my foundation looks after setting with powder. Hi guys, it's been 8 hours and let's see what happened with the foundation. Zoom, zoom, zoom. On my eyes I have used this Essence eyeshadow palette. This is the Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette. I will have a card here if you want to see the review for this palette. This foundation gives a matte finish to the skin, and after 8 hours in a very warm day, I was also filming all day today and I just have a very light glow on my skin. My skin is just a little bit sticky on my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead, but it is very minimal. after I applied my contouring products, I have used this contouring palette by Wet n Wild, and I am also reviewing this palette today. If you want to see the review, I will have a card here. I noticed that my skin was very flaky around the hairline and also on the sides of my nose. My skin is also a little bit flaky and it looks dry on this area here that I have applied my blush and after that my highlighter, and I think that this foundation is a little bit drying for my skin type and maybe I should use it with a different primer, maybe with a moisturizing primer, because I have used a mattifying. Now you can see the redness in the veins that I have on my nostrils because I wiped my nose. Surprisingly, it didn't set in my fine lines, and I am doing a lot of expressions with my forehead all the time and it didn't set in my fine lines and I like it. Today was a very warm day and I can say that the foundation is long lasting. The scent in the beginning was a little bit strong and I thought that it would make me nauseous, but I don't smell it. I also think that it blurred a little bit the pores that I have near my nose. I want also to test it with the Transformer drops by Catrice Cosmetics. These are the darkening drops and I will try to correct the shade. Maybe I can save it and I can use it for now. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you want me to test more foundations and if you have a favorite drugstore foundation. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!